Ninth example, and what is said in this example, if E is the electronic charge, C is the speed of light in the free space and H is the Planck's constant, then the quantity 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square upon Hc has dimension. Okay, so first of all, we know that this thing F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into E square upon R square is nothing but the force. So the dimension of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into E square would be equal to dimension F into R square. So now let us substitute here. In place of this part, I will put the dimension of force, that is Newton into meter square divided by H. So dimension of H and dimension of angular momentum are same. Okay, while the dimension of angular momentum or the unit of angular momentum is kg meter square upon second. So the dimension of angular momentum is kg meter square upon second into the speed of light is having the unit meter per second. So the meter square and the meter square will get cancelled out. I can write Newton as mass into acceleration, kg meter upon second square divided by kg into meter upon second square. So this upon second square get cancelled. This meter get cancelled, kg get cancelled. So here we are getting this quantity as dimensionless. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. It is dimensionless. Thank you.